How to download and install Norton. Step 1. Open up the web browser and visit the official Norton website. Step 2. Click Sign In, then go ahead and enter your Norton email address or username. Step 3. Click Continue, enter the password and click Sign In. Step 4. Click Download and you'll be presented with two options to download and to send a link. Step 5. Click Agree and download if you want to download it to your system. Step 6. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to open it. Step 7. If you want to download it on a different device, click Send a download link. Step 8. Enter the email address to receive the download link and click Send. Step 9. Go to the other device, open the email received and click Download Now. Step 10. Click Agree and download and open the downloaded file. Step 11. Click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirusdeals.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.